Hey guys, I'm back, and this is part 2 of the Ratchet video. Yep, here he is in his ambulance mode, just the way I promised, and just the way that I never pretend like I never even left. Let's pretend like I didn't left. Anyways, that one, my part 1 of Ratchet, of the Ratchet review, I just thought it would be a sad occasion just to see a Godzilla fan just leaving. So I decided to do it again. To at least make another video about saying goodbye to Godzilla Kaiju Boy. And this one goes to him.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. We started. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. First you both go out your way, and the vibe is feeling strong. It was small, turned to a friendship turned to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Let the light guide your way. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take always leads you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. But if Godzilla Boy or any G fans was watching that, they would have loved it. Hey, a fellow Godzilla fan is. Yeah, a fellow Godzilla is quitting. Yeah, we went there and says, yeah. Dude, you can't. Okay, that's pretty painful. Oh. Hold on. Hold on, let me just help you with that leg. Here we go. He says that he's leaving the G community. Yeah, and that G stands. Yeah, the G stands for Godzilla. But thank you guys for his final. Very well. No problem. If Goji fan says something about that, he would have said, "Stay big, G fans." Thanks. Thank you. Godzilla Boy wouldn't have loved it. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you three. Aren't you leaving? Could I have my tail back? Oh. I just hold on a minute. Anyways, guys, here's part 2. But it's just that every time I always come to size comparison, it just ends like that. Anyways, Ratchet is not a bit of a size guy with a medic officer, but let's hope he does. Hot Rod, second wind blade, helicopter mode drop kick, World War II B, War for Cybertron Chimera, Shatter, Sinner Twins. Okay, sorry about that. It's just force of habit. Hold on. Bigger wind blade, which is second wind blade. Godzilla, Brawl, second Godzilla, Grimlock, and the enormous Jax Godzilla. So, yeah. So that's basically all of it. And what I have to say about Ratchet. This figure, he's actually not that bad. Yeah, so Ratchet is not that bad, but yet not that good as well, because he looks blank. If he has a little bit of dry brushing, yeah, Ratchet does look a bit blank, but with dry brush effects, he could make it look worth your time. You can even get him at the Big Bad Toy Store, which I never say that often. Yeah, I barely say anything about that often. Yeah, I barely say anything about the Big Bad Toy Store. You can get them at the Big Bad Toy Store, which is our website. Here we go. Here we go. You can get Ratchet as a duo pack, well, a trio pack, along with the Bumblebee from Bumblebee movie, well, the beat up Bumblebee. What appears to be Lockdown as a repaint job. I don't know what that is, but yeah, you see Bumblebee in his beta mode, which isn't part of the point. Yeah, you see him? He's right here. Wait a minute, hold up. No, wait. Never mind. Yeah. So from here, Ratchet, he actually nothing. But you can actually get him as a separate, which it's sold out. If so, then go get it. You can get him in $21.99 as one, but you can get those three in $64.99. And you can also get this guy with Wave 1, along with Bumblebee in his old Camaro mode. Not like the Camaro, but more like the Camaro he fought against Barricade, which he is the first. I'm surprised Stinger is the second, because he is in Age of Extinction, which he's a KSI bot. And Crowbar, yep. Yeah, and there's Ratchet in his old medic mode. Yeah, there's Ratchet in his old medic form. Before he got a new paint job. Yeah. I'm surprised that one's the only one where you can get the saw. This one. And yet, this one, you can get him with just the blaster. That is a bit of a shock. So, if I find this Ratchet and attach that saw to him, that will be OP. But if you guys do have two Ratchets, do it. It will be so awesome. Just please. Okay? Oh yeah. Oh man, sorry. Anyways. That music part was supposed to be for Godzilla Boy, just like part 1. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope you comment, subscribe, and like this video. Anyways, hope I get to see you G fans later, along with TF fans, Predator fans, Pacific Rim fans, Gamera fans, or like Giant Monster movie fans. Anyways, hope you guys like this, and I'll see you guys next time.